Identify the front seat cover with the airbag tag. Remove the headrest first, then unzip and put on the seatback cover. Adjust the holes for headrest. Zip the seatback cover. Attach the hinges. Tuck the hinges in the seat gap. Secure the hinges in place on the back. Put on the seat cover and sponges on the side face the car door. Tuck the buckles in the seat gap. Tuck and adjust the side cover for a snug fit. Fasten the buckles from the seat bottom and adjust the webbing to desired length. Attach the small hooks and fix them to the seat bottom. Tuck and adjust the side cover for a snug fit. Cover the headrest and install it back. Front seat cover installation completed. Back seat cover installation. Remove the headrests first. Put on the 40 split seat back cover and fix it with the Velcro. Tuck the webbings in the seat gap and attach them to the back with Velcro. Holes designed for kids' safety seat. Adjust the holes for headrest. Repeat the same installation for the 60 split seat back cover. Cover the headrests and install them back. Put on the 60 split back seat cover and tuck the buckle in the seat gap. Fasten the buckles from the seat bottom and adjust the webbing to desired length. Fasten the side webbing to the bottom of the seat. Repeat the same installation for the 40 split seat cover. Installation completed. Get your new elegant vehicle.